You can't come home drunk like this. No more drinking. Okay, I'm sorry. I won't pinch Daddy again. Whew. Thank you, buddy. I am so sorry. I surrender. No more. I promise.
Now you. Mr. Bear, you are in big trouble. You do not, I repeat, do not eat crayons. No, they're for coloring, not for munching, okay? Look at me. Do you understand? You gotta say sorry. It's okay, I still love you. But don't do it again. You sit good, okay? Stay. Just like that. Can you give me a big paw? Here. Right here. Yeah! Good boy. Silly puppy. I like you. You're not supposed to eat my pancake, mister. That's naughty. You got your own people, okay? No more stealing. I'm very cross with you. You look at me, you hear me? No more. You understand? Stay good, okay? Stay. Can you give me a big paw? Big paw, please? Yeah! Good boy! Good boy. So fluffy. I like you. You stay good, okay? Stay. Just sit down. Can you give me a big paw? Yeah, good boy. Silly puppy, I like you. You have to be nice, okay? It's your job to watch me. No jumping and no licking my toys. Just sit like this. Good. Such a big good boy. Ready? Hug time. You okay today? You didn't get scared? Too noisy? I protect you, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. I love you.
Hey, big boy. Hi. You're so warm. Yeah, I missed you. Oh, you're purring. That feels good. Love you, big guy.
You want Mama? She's coming. I know. I miss her too. Okay. She'll be here soon. And it's been a long time, hasn't it? It's been 3 months. You're ready to see her? It's been 3 months, buddy. No Mama for 3 months? Yeah, Mama, I know. No, that's not her yet. She'll be here in 3 hours. It's okay, buddy. I know, I miss her too.